Elastic collision in one dimension. So in elastic collisions, let assume the initial and final positions of the body. If one object is of mass m1 with velocity v1, it will move in this directions, and another object is here m2 with initially in rest positions. After collision, what happened? Here, let's take m1 will move with velocity v1f, and in same directions m2 will move with velocity v2f. Okay, that means initially let our assumption is like this that एक ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर रेस्ट पे है, दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट आ रहा है उसको स्ट्राइक कर रहा है, स्ट्राइक करने के बाद दोनों ऑब्जेक्ट अलग अलग वेलोसिटी में मीन्स मूव कर रहा है. दैट मीन्स बोथ आर इन मूविंग कंडीशंस एंड इट इज अबाउट द इलास्टिक कोलिजन्स, राइट. सो इफ इन इलास्टिक कोलिजन्स इफ वी ऑब्जर्व द laws of conservation of momentum and kinetic energy, then what happened here? Your according to the momentum m1 v1 is equals to m1 v1f plus m2 v2f. This one is your laws of conservation of momentum. Then about the kinetic energy, half m1 v1 square is equals to half m1 v1 f square plus half m2 v2 f square. Conservations of momentum and laws of conservations of kinetic energy both will satisfy in the elastic collision. So what happened here? This one is for the conservations of momentum and this one is for the your kinetic energy. That means before and after both are equals, right? So here our task is we have to find out the velocity, final velocity of object 1 and object 2. Okay, so from these two equations we have to solve. Let's take this is equation number 1, this is equations number 2. How we are going to solve these two equations, and we will find out the velocity, final velocity v of 1f and v of 2f, right. So v of 1f निकालने के लिए पहले v of 2f इसमें मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं ताकि v of 2f का ये वाला टर्म्स इक्वल आ जाएगा, तो यू कैन कैंसिल इट, राइट. So first step is that step 1 is your let multiply v of 2f in equation 1. Okay, v of 2f in equation 1. That means what happened? m1 v1 v of 2f is equals to m1 v1f v of 2f plus m2 v of 2f square, right. Next, after multiplying 2f we will get the equations like this. Let's take this one is equations 3. Let's subtract equations 3 minus equations 2. Okay, that means equations 3 m1 v1 v2f minus, okay, before doing let's got half because all terms having 1 by 2, so we may cancel that terms. So this one is equals to m1 v1 square which is equals to m1 v1f v2f then plus m2 v2f square minus m1 v1 f square minus m2 v2f square. So here we may cancel m2 v2f square. So एक term cancel हो गया, m1 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 m1, all terms having m1. So let cancel m1. Okay, after that v1 v of 2f minus v1 square is equals to v of 1f v of 2f then minus v of 1f square. This much is there. Now if we these equations and take v2f common, so v1 v2f minus v1f v2f is equals to v1 square minus v1f square. Okay, here let's take common v2f implies that v2f into v1 minus v1f is equals to v1 square minus v1f square, or v2f is equals to implies that v2f is equals to v1 square minus v1f square k by v1 minus v1f. And here you may put a square minus b square formula, that means v1 plus v1 v of 1f into v1 minus v of 1f. So v1 minus v1f cancel हो जाएगा, so its value is v1 plus v of 1f. This one is our v of 2f. After getting v of 2f, simply put it here and you can calculate v of 1f, right? So v of 1f is equal to m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 into v1 I, and v of 1 I is given. Now put it here and you will get v of 2f. v of 2f is equals to m2 m1 v1 I by m1 plus m2. About the elastic collisions, how you are going to find out v of 1f or v of 2f, that means final velocity of the two bodies. So this is about the one dimensional analysis.